Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Mr. Arif. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adila Mei with student number 18. In this moment, I will complete a final exam assignment. I will explain to you Journal by Egan Graham. Okay, I will explain to you about journal. The title is Implementation of Gyroaccelerometer Sensor for Measuring Respiration Based on Inhale and Exhale with Dolby Interface. The first is abstract. Abstract accelerometer sensor are widely used in respiration studies because of their ability to detect change and position speed. However, there is still a lack of research that focus on the optimal placement of the sensor to achieve measurement accurate breathing. This study aims to investigate and analyze the ideal position of sensor for precise breathing detection. To achieve this, design is proposed that utilizes Arduino Nano as a microcontroller to process signal and obtain respiration values from their three gyro accelerometer sensor. Respiration signal and values, the data obtained is transmit on to the PC via Bluetooth and visualized via the DLP application. The contribution of this research lies in studies the impact of placement gyroaccelerometer sensor for breathing detection, ultimately identifying the appropriate sensor location. The analysis show that the overall error values obtained from the module is quite promising, with the highest error recorded at 2.6% when the sensor was positioned on the stomach and chest, or sensor position 3. This validates the feasibility of use gyroaccelerometer sensor to detect breathing and provide valuable insights for future research in this domain. However, it is important to acknowledge certain limitation in this study. As long as the respondent moves or walks, there is noise in the signal which can affect accuracy. This limitation highlight the need for further pursuit in updating sensor placement and signaling techniques to reduce interface and improve overall accuracy. In conclusion, this study emphasizes the importance of the gyroaccelerometer sensor in respiratory detection and addresses the lack of research regarding its optimal placement. By presenting analysis error of 3 sensor position, the study establishes the foundation for more precise and relatable breathing measurement techniques. The introduction. The gyroaccelerometer is a device that detects change in position and speed. It has been researched to monitor breathing and change in position when breathing. However, the sensitivity of the sensor can result in miscalculation of respiratory rate, as it detects changes in position that are not related to breathing. The focus of the research is to identify changes in chest position during inhale and exhale for better accuracy. To overcome errors, filtering the accelerometer sensor output can be done. Accelerometers are also used to measure dynamic or static speed and acceleration of various objects or phenomena. This research aims to determine the ideal position of gyroaccelerometer sensor to detect breathing precisely even the 3 dimension by using a pair of plates on a chip that are installed perpendicularly. And what about method? This study, the test was carried out using a patient simulator, use a CAI Apollo in USA, in Surabaya Ministry of Health Polytechnic Nursing Laboratory. The simulator patient can simulate respiration with a mechanical work system up and down the chest and abdomen. The initial test, this tool she changed in the shape of the signal generated by the accelerometer sensor after going through the Kalman filter process. Kalman filter is a generic algorithm that is used to estimate the shear system parameter. In this picture, beside, show the placement of gyroaccelerometer sensor on the abdomen. The next step is to compare and the respiration values obtained after changing the constant on the Kalman filter and compare them with the parameter setting in the simulator patient. The test was carried out with 3 different respiratory rate parameter setting, namely 12, 15, and 20. Each respiration parameter setting was taken 5 times. This is the block diagram system. The block diagram in this study using gyroaccelerometer sensor MPU 95T GY 5500 to 21 in China. To detect respiration, Arduino Nano as a data processor obtained from the gyroaccelerometer sensor and the process using a Kalman filter. This is a flowchart. In the picture beside is a flow diagram where after the module has carried of the initialization process and then reads data from the gyroaccelerometer sensor. After the data is obtained, the filtering process is carried out using a Kalman filter to produce a respiration signal. And then the respiration signal will go through a thresholding process with a threshold of 18% of the maximum values of the respiratory signal. Respiration values per minute is obtained from the formula 3.900,000 divided by the period formed by 3 bits. The process respiration signal and respiration values are then sent to Delphi application on a personal computer via Bluetooth using Bluetooth module. If Bluetooth on the PC has been active, Delphi will get data on the value of the respiration signal and the value of respiration. Furthermore, the respiration signal will display on the graph and the respiration value will be displayed in real time. And this is a model circuit. In the picture beside is a picture of entire module circuit. Number 1 is the Bluetooth module. Number 2 is multiplexer component. Number 3 is a Arduino microcontroller. And number 4 is a battery. There are 9 signal displays chart, each of which has 2 signal, namely the white signal is respiration signal from the gyro data before being filter Kalman, and the color signal is respiration signal after Kalman. The respiration per minute values are in BPM are displayed next to the signal graph chart respectively. This is a result. From this research, signal results were obtained as shown in the image on right side with 3 sensors placed in different positions. And the right, from the exciting data, get the error percentage value for first sensor 1.29%, second sensor is 1.12%, and the third sensor is 2.6%. 0.06%. And the SD percentage value for per sensor is 1.39 percent. For second sensor is 0.83%, and the last sensor is 1.33%. So the conclusion is, overall, this research can be concluded that the application gyro accelerometer sensor to regulate respiration based on del-P, based inhale and exhale, has been successful, great, and can be used properly. The placement is three different. The sensor is in this research have error values that tend to be low because the difference is values is not too much. When respondents were sitting and sleeping, the error value was the lowest on sensor 2. When the respondent sits, breathing accurate occurs, the final speed is higher than when sleeping. Because when the sleeping condition occurs when the respondent is in a relaxed state. So the number of inhalation and respiration tend to be low per minute. Okay, that's all from me. Forgive me if I have a lot mistakes. So yeah, thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.